What's up, Team T, baby? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing good. But how y'all doing? I feel like I have not spoken to y'all in way too long. Like that 30-day yoga challenge. Woo, that was good, but it was hard for your girl because I love to talk to you guys. So today, this one's a little tight. Today we are doing a small clothing trial haul for Queenie, because your girl's a queen. And there's a few items that they did send me that I didn't order, but they just sent me, so it was nice. But unfortunately, they're not my style, but I'll still show them to you guys. And one of them doesn't even fit. But anyways, it's all fitness gear, because you know your girl's in the gym every day. So we need some sports bras, all that good stuff. So we have this gray heather print one, and in the back it's a cross. Ooh, so I love it. It's super comfortable and cute. And then they sent these pants. They're a little bit snug bug on your girl. Like they're not the real stretchy material. They kind of really grip everything, so they're like super tight, but of course they still show the gains. They're just kind of suffocating the gains a little bit. But the waist, again, this is like pretty usual for me. It's a little bit big, but I mean overall they're pretty cute. They're a little tight on my calves and they go all the way down to the bottom. And yeah, so this is the first one. What y'all think? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? What y'all think about my spankies? So I'm going to show you before I change the two ones that I didn't order that they gifted me. Because this one they're really cute. They're yoga pants, and these strings on the bottom, they tie around your calves, but I just can't even get these over like my legs, not even past my butt. It's like a joke. So these would be really cute, Queenie, if they fit your girl. And then this was one of their little gifts, so I'll probably do a giveaway because it's just not my style, and I appreciate it. But this is a bathing suit, and it would be cute and all, but your girl doesn't wear granny panties. I only wear the thong style. So I mean, like, it's cute and the sides are really cute, but the back, I can't do it. And plus it's like hiding all my gains, which I don't do that. And then this is the top to it, so it's like a spaghetti strap top, which it does look cute, but pretty big too, so I don't think this would even fit your girl. But it was a very nice gesture, and so they're really cute. If you do like those, I'll still leave links for those below. How the hell do you put this thing on? Okay, this has to be wrong. No, that's not right. What the freaking hell? Well, okay, so apparently I don't know how to put on clothes anymore, or this has just got me. How's the back like? Oh, there we go. I got it. Fitness. Go for it, motherfuckers. So this is another little cute tank top. I forgot that they sent me. I can't remember the last time I wore a tank top to the gym. I like to go in sports bras and pants, and just, that's my go-to. Maybe like a crop top sweater. But I'll probably end up giving this to my mother because she likes tank tops. But it's cute. It's really comfortable. Apparently I have a hard time getting it on because this crazy design in the back. But it's an open back, so that's pretty cute for those that like to wear tank tops to the gym. Okay. I swear, you guys, it is a workout trying on clothes and sports bras. You have no idea. It's literally, a workout to get these things off too when they're sweaty. Good Lord. But look how cute this one is. It's a white heather. Ooh, yeah. Your girl's been working. You know, just a little bit. Okay, let me stop. The back is the cross as well. So I like it because it's, first of all, a cute design. Second of all, it's breathable and it looks good when you're doing upper body. This is a small and this is very tight. So definitely holds in the girls very well. I like to jump around a lot. So, by the way, these pants, they are squat proof. So, yep, they're not see-through. So ladies, if you want, and gentlemen, if you want to wear these to the gym for leg day, there you go. Then we got a plain white one. You can never, ever, ever go wrong with just a fresh white sports bra. I actually haven't had a plain white one, I don't think, in a while, or maybe that I actually really liked. But plain white in the back. We got a nice little design. You know, holds in the ladies very well. Do that little shoulder rock. It's very cute. It's very soft and I am loving it. OMG. So apparently we had Juan more and I cannot get it on over the gains or my dome. It's really cute, so I'm gonna put something on and then show you what it looks like. Woo! Okay, so this one, I don't know. It's the same size as the mall. I'll probably have to get a bigger size because it's a really cute design. It is mesh and then it has like an open back with the stripes. So I think it's really cute. I love sports bras with designs. I love gym fashion. I love gym clothes. But overall, I give these, the ones that fit me, a 10. They're really comfortable and they really do, like, sizes are true to size. Like, they really do hold things in very well. And I like to jump around a lot, so that's much needed for your girl. So I will leave all of the links below for everything that I got here, and they do have like other stuff besides just sports bras and workout pants. I would say if you are on the slim thick size, order a size a little bit bigger. For me, these pants are a little too tight. They do hold things in, but I like stretchy, a little bit more stretchy on my legs and my butt because for obviously leg day and also to not suffocate the hell out of my ass. And my legs. That's like a huge thing for me. But Queenie is a queen and these are amazing. So I will leave everything down below and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. I love you, Team T, baby.